We are wishing RDX all the best on the anniversary 11th year they are completing today. Thank you for not being rat in the race. Thank you for sustainable and impactful journalism that you have been practicing over these years. I'm thanking you on behalf of all the audience. Thank you very much for showing people what they should see and not what you want people to see. In fact, there is a huge difference between that. Thank you for showing what people should know. Thank you for not being part of this digitally bloated number games of number one. And remaining grounded and having faith in what you are doing. Thank you very much, in fact, for working out a financially sustainable model of media without any help of any capitalist, which is more important, wherein you are not dependent on anyone else. You have created a model which can be copied by anyone else who want to go ahead with a channel, and which is financially sustainable model as far as Goa is concerned. Thank you for in fact the word RDX is reliable, dependable and exclusive, all three together, and wish you all the best for your future.